Linear equations are equations in which the highest power of the variable is 1. They can be written in the form of ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are constants. A linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. It can be written in the form of ax plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are constants. For example, 2x plus 3 equals 5 is a linear equation. Another example is x negative 2 equals 7. To solve a linear equation, we need to isolate the variable. We can do this by adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing both sides of the equation by the same value. For example, to solve 2x plus 3 equals 5, we can subtract 3 from both sides. This gives us 2x equals 5 to 3. Simplifying, we get 2x equals 2. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 2 halves. Simplifying, we get x equals 1. Linear equations can also be graphed on a coordinate plane. The graph of a linear equation is a straight line. For example, the graph of y equals 2x plus 3 is a straight line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 3. Linear equations have many real-world applications. They can be used to model population growth, financial transactions, and scientific experiments. Linear equations can be used to model the growth of a population over time. For example, the population growth equation P of t equals P0 asterisk 1 plus r caret t is a linear equation.